shorter time to market is what every company wants.
PolyJet can reduce time to market by 3, 4, 5 months depending on the product.
Having a J750 on site shortens design time significantly. Every print that we need to do in color has to go through a process. If we eliminate that process and only make it a single click, then the workflow is easier and we can make more prototypes.
This brings a more efficient process around additive manufacturing and allows consistency through time and between different machines.
We can print 10 different iterations of the same model on one tray and have it in 10 different colors. They can have more parts, they can have cheaper parts, and their return of investment is usually between 1 and 2 years.
With PolyJet, you can have very similar value for a high-fidelity model with a fraction of the cost and a fraction of the time.
Brands can specify and then immediately produce parts, products, packaging based on brand colors and product colors.
It's just not printing color, it's actually changing people's lives.
Stratasys PolyJet technology is being developed for over 20 years, and it's the leading standard tool for industrial designers.
Being able to digitally print 3D models with the full color capabilities of Pantone enable designers to accelerate the design process. And that's a huge value for the design and for the business.
It was the first 3D color printer that made use of the Pantone color system, and for that we're very appreciative.
I think what's most appealing about this partnership is having the two industry leaders cooperating together to bring a real solution to standardized color in 3D printing.
The potential is endless.